In this lecture, we will discuss about the concentration of solution. इस लेक्चर में हम सॉल्यूशन की कंसंट्रेशन के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. Concentration is the proportion of solute in a solution. The concentration of a solution is a measure or ratio of the amount of solute in a given amount of solvent or solution. The larger the amount of solute present in a solution, the higher would be the concentration. तो ये बता रहे हैं कि concentration of solution ये क्या चीज़ है. So basically concentration of solution जो है ये एक proportion है जो सॉल्यूट की solution के अंदर, यानी एक जो रेशो है solution के अंदर. कंसंट्रेशन सॉल्यूशन जो होता है वो अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट की जो रेशो है जितना होता है सॉल्वेंट में ये सॉल्यूशन में, उसको हम सॉल्यूशन कहेंगे. यानी एक हमारे पास फॉर एग्जांपल बीकर है, we have a solute here, we have a solute, this solvent form a solution, this is solution. तो solution है, इसमें जो रेशो है, रेशो ऑफ द अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट, ये जो सोल्यूट है इसके अंदर प्रेजेंट है, इसकी जो रेशो है इस सॉल्वेंट के अंदर, उसको हम जो है वो उससे हम जो है कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन मालूम कर सकते हैं. तो कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन डिपेंड करते हैं कि कितना जो है सोल्यूट उस सॉल्वेंट या सॉल्यूशन के अंदर मौजूद है. The larger the amount of solute present in a solution, the higher will be the concentration. ज्यादा सोल्यूट अगर सॉल्यूशन के अंदर मौजूद है तो उस सॉल्यूशन की कंसंट्रेशन ज्यादा होगी. So we can say larger would be the larger the amount of solute present in solution, the higher will be its concentration. So we can say for example सोडियम क्लोराइड अगर सॉल्ट अगर हमने पानी में डाल दिया तो जितना हम ज़्यादा डालेंगे पानी के अंदर सोडियम क्लोराइड और सॉल्ट, उतनी सॉल्यूशन की कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ेगी. तो लिहाजा कंसंट्रेशन को हम अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्ट प्रेजेंट इन द सॉल्यूशन से मालूम करते हैं. नंबर फर्स्ट वन, dilute solution. Dilute solution क्या चीज़ है? A solution which contains small amount of solute dissolved in a solvent is called dilute solution. यानी कि dilute solution क्या होता है? Dilute solution वो होता है जिसमें amount of solute जो है, जो हम solvent के अंदर डिजॉल्व करते हैं, हल करते हैं, वो कम होती है. यानी हमारे पास जो है ये अगर बीकर है, इसमें जो सॉल्यूट है उस सॉल्वेंट के अंदर जो है ना, इसकी जो अमाउंट होती है वो लेस होती है. यानी कि जो सॉल्यूट की अमाउंट होती है वो सॉल्यूट अमाउंट इज लो. सॉल्यूट हमारे पास अगर किसी सॉल्वेंट के अंदर कम है दूसरे सॉल्वेंट के मुकाबले में, तो वो उस सॉल्यूशन से यानी कम कंसंट्रेशन का होगा या उसको हम कहेंगे कि ये डाइल्यूट सोल्यूशन है, तो इट इज कॉल्ड डाइल्यूट सोल्यूशन. So a solution should contain small amount of solute dissolved in a solvent is called dilute solution. The second one is concentrated solution. A solution which contain large amount of solute dissolved in the solvent is called concentrated solution. यानी वो solution जिसमें amount of solute जो है वो ज़्यादा होती है उस solvent के अंदर, उसको हम concentrated solution कहते हैं. यानी कि अगर हम नमक को ज़्यादा नमक को पानी में हल करें, तो वो जितना ज़्यादा नमक हल करेंगे उतनी उस सोल्यूशन की कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ेगी. मिसाल के तौर पर हमारे पास लेट्स वी हैव two beakers. Let's say that we have two beakers. So, for example, the solutions, the beaker containing the solution, sodium chloride. This is sodium chloride. This is a solution. For example, consider that this solution contains 5 gram of sodium chloride, and this solution contains 10 gram of sodium chloride. So here you see that this solution contains 5 gram sodium chloride, and this solution contains 10 gram of sodium chloride. And it's considered that both has volume of 100 ml. So you can say this solution have 100 ml volume. So now this is beaker number 1. This is let's say this is beaker number 2. So beaker number 1 will have 5 gram of sodium chloride dissolved in 100 ml, up to 100 ml water, and beaker number 2 has 10 gram of sodium chloride which is dissolved up to 100 ml of water. So if you compare these two solutions, you will see that this solution is, you can say this solution is diluted one as compared to this one. So you can say that this is a dilute solution and this is a concentrated solution. So solution 1 will be diluted as compared to solution 2, because in this 5 gram is dissolved and this 10 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved. Here is mentioned that the solution of known concentration is called standard solution. Standard solution is the one whose concentration is known. स्टैंडर्ड सोल्यूशन वो सोल्यूशन होता है जिसकी कंसंट्रेशन हमें मालूम होती है. So we are discussing about the dilute and concentrated solution. For example, a solution in which 5 gram of sugar is dissolved in 100 ml of water, a cubic centimeter, is dilute solutions as compared to the solutions which 5 gram of sugar is dissolved in 100 cubic centimeter of water. So we have previously discussed the same. हम इसके बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं कि जिसमें ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी प्रेजेंट होगी ना सॉल्यूट की वो ज़्यादा कंसनट्रेटेड सोल्यूशन होगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल so the solutions which contain 8 gram sugar will be more concentrated than solutions containing 5 gram of sugar, both dissolved in 100 ml of water. So, so you can say that this solution is containing more solid particles as compared to this solution. So this is the concentrated solution, and this is the dilute solution, because this contain low uh, particles, solute particles, and this contain more solute. So this concentrated solution, and this is the dilute solution. So it's a figure dilution of solution. You can say dilution is basically if we are adding up a solvent or water to solutions, that means that we are diluting the solution. And if we are adding solute instead of solvent, means that we are going to concentrate the solution, or we are going to increase the concentration of that solution. So there are many units to express the concentration of solutions. In this unit, we will study two units, which will be percentage composition. Number two is molarity. So first, let's first come towards uh, percentage composition. Percentage composition, it is the number of parts of solute present in 100 parts of solution. The fraction of a solute in a solution multiplied by 100. So you can say that percentage composition जो है ये number of parts of solute, यानी solute के number of parts है जो मौजूद होते हैं 100 parts of solution. यानी 100 parts of solution में जो parts of solute मौजूद होते हैं उसको हम percentage कहेंगे. The fraction of a solution is multiplied by 100. So we will multiply the fraction by 100. For example, the percentage, the composition of a solution, we can say that the percentage composition of a solution are expressed in four ways. Percent mass by mass. You can say mass relationship, M by M. So percentage mass by mass is the number of grams by mass of solute present in 100 gram by mass of a solution. For example, 10% solution of sugar by mass means 10 gram of sugar in 90 gram of solvent, so that the solution weigh 100 gram. So you can say that percent to mass by mass percent means इसका मतलब ये होता है कि हम नंबर ऑफ ग्राम्स जो बाय मास सोल्यूट के जो नंबर ऑफ ग्राम्स होते हैं वो 100 ग्राम जो है बाय मास ऑफ सोल्यूशन के अंदर जो होते हैं उसको हम mass by mass कहते हैं. For example, ये 10% हो solution of sugar by mass अगर हम बनाना शुरू कर दें तो उसका मतलब ये होगा कि 10 ग्राम of sugar in 90 gram of solvent. Butter, you say, with figure system m by n, m by m, mass per mass, percent, mass by mass. So it means this is also this solute quantity, this is the solvent. So both solute and solvent will be taken in gram. So, for example, the mass of solute, we have 10% on, mass by mass, so it means that 10 gram of 10 gram of solute, you can say solute, 10 gram of solute or 90 gram of solvent. So the total will be 10 and 90 will be 100 gram. So total will be 100 gram. So this is the mass by mass percentage. You can say that we have dissolved 10 gram of sugar or salt in 90 gram of water. So this is the percent mass by mass. So here it is written that mass by mass of solute, mass of solute plus mass of solvent by 100. It will be determined by the mass of solute or mass of solution and multiply by 100. And from this we'll get mass by mass value of solution. Next one is percentage mass by volume. A mass volume relationship, M by V. It is the number of grams by mass of solute present in 100 cubic centimeter of solution. For example, 10% solution of sodium chloride by mass means 10 grams of sodium chloride in solvent to make 100 ml of the solution. In this case, the total mass of the solution is not considered. So here I can say that 10% mass by volume means mass by volume. So it means that we will 10% for example means that we will take 10% of sodium chloride solutions. It means that we will take 10 gram of sodium chloride and it will be dissolved in water up to 100 ml. So this is the mass and this is the volume. So this is the mass by volume. So here it is percent mass by volume. So mass of solute, volume of solution multiplied by 100. In this case, we will multiply by 100 in order to get the percentage of mass by volume. So you can say that the third one is percentage volume by mass. Volume by mass. You can say volume by mass. volume to mass relationship V by M. This is the volume in ml of a solute dissolved in so gram of 100 gram of the solution. For example, 10% solution of alcohol by volume means 10 ml of alcohol in unknown volume of water, so that the total mass of the solution is so gram of solvent. In this case, the total volume of the solution is not considered. So this is the volume by mass V by M. This is V by M, percentage V by M. So V by M means that if we take the example of 10% solution of alcohol, so it means that we will take 10 ml of alcohol and the in denominator is M, so we will take volume of 10 ml alcohol and by M, so M means that we will take the mass, so you can say that 10 ml of alcohol is taken and it will put in a water so that the total mass of the solution is 100 gram. So you can say the total mass of the solution will take 10 ml of alcohol and we will finally make the solution so that total volume, total weight of the solution is the total. You can say total mass of the solution is 100 gram. So in this case, the total volume of the solution is not considered. So this will be volume by mass of solution. Percent volume by volume. You can say it is the volume in ml of solute dissolved per 100 ml of solution. So is volume by volume. Volume by, say this is volume by volume. So in this case, it is the volume in ml of solute dissolved per 100 ml of solution. For example, 10% solution of alcohol by volume means we will take 10 ml of alcohol. 10 ml, this is volume, so 10 ml. For example, 10 ml we have taken, and sufficient volume so that the volume of the solution is 100 ml. 10 ml divided by 100 of ml. So we will take 10 ml of alcohol in order to make the total volume 100 ml by adding water in order to get 10% solution of alcohol. So this is the percent volume by volume, volume of solute in ml, volume of solution in ml, and in order to get percentage, we multiply this factor by 100. So in this case, we will get the percent volume by volume of a solution. Now next one is molarity. Molarity is the concentration unit. It is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved per liter of solution. It is represented by M. The formula used for the preparation of molar solution is as follows. So molarity is number of moles of solute per volume of solution in meter. So you can say that molarity is ये molarity जो है ये concentration unit है, ये होता है number of moles of solute को अगर हम 1 लीटर में हल करें सोल्यूशन में तो उसको मोलैरिटी कहते हैं. So you can say that the number of moles of solute dissolved per liter of solution. So this is the molarity. We can say number of moles of solute per liter of solutions. So we can say uh, by definition, mole is equal to amount of solute in gram per molecular mass of solute. So mole will be equal to amount of solute in gram, let's say gram, are divided by molecular mass of solute, you can say formula weight of solute. So with this we can get number of moles. This is molarity, number of moles. So if we put the values of you can say the number of moles by putting the value of n here, we get molarity gram per formula weight divided by volume. So from this we'll get molarity gram divided by formula weight. So we get the molarity gram divided by formula weight into volume. So this value is amount of solute in gram, this one, divided by molecular mass of solute, this one, formula weight, multiplied by volume of solution in liter. So this is the molarity solution. This is the example. Calculate the molarity of the solution containing 7.50 mole of calcium carbonate in enough water to make 1.50 liter of solution. So we can say the given molarity is equal to 7.5 mole per 1.50 liter, because molarity is number of moles per liter volume. So in this case 7.50 is the number of moles and 1.50 liter is the volume. So from this this is a 5 mole per 1 liter. This will be equal to 5 molar. So here the unit conversion is given that 1 cubic decimeter, say this one is equal to 1 liter, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter, which will be equal to 100,000 ml, and 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 ml. So it's important to note this unit in case of calculation of molarity. So next one is problem involving the molarity of a solution. The following examples will help you to understand the molarity and how molar solutions are prepared. To find the molarity of a solution, you must know the molar mass of solute. Uh, for example, 1 molar solution of glucose means 1 mole of 180 gram of glucose per liter of solution. Similarly, 1 molar solution of sodium hydroxide contains 1 mole of sodium hydroxide 40 gram in 1 liter of solution. Is the symbol for molarity M, and the concentration of a 1 molar solution of sodium hydroxide is written as 1 molar NaOH. So you can say that to find the about the molarity, or it's a problem involving the molarity of solutions. ये कह रहे हैं कि मोलरिटी सॉल्यूशन को मालूम करने के लिए हमें जो है ना फार्मूला वेट हो किसी सॉल्यूट का पता होना ज़रूरी है कि सॉल्यूट का जो फार्मूला वेट है वो क्या है। मिसाल के तौर पर सोडियम क्लोराइड है, सोडियम क्लोराइड NaCl का जो फार्मूला वेट है वो है 58.5 ग्राम पर मोल। तो ये जो है सोडियम क्लोराइड का फार्मूला वेट है, इसका हमें पता होना चाहिए, यानी कि हमें मोलर मास ऑफ सोल्यूट का पता होना चाहिए। यहाँ पे एग्जांपल दिए 1 मोलर सोल्यूशन ऑफ ग्लूकोज इसका जो फार्मूला वेट है वो 180 ग्राम पर मोल है ग्लूकोज का। सो पर liter solution. Similarly, 1 molar solution of sodium hydroxide NaOH, इसमें 1 mole of NaOH का मतलब ये कि इसमें 1 mole of NaOH का मतलब 40 ग्राम per liter of solution. So you can say that 1 molar NaOH means that 40 gram per mole. So if we dissolve 40 gram of sodium hydroxide in 1 liter of water, you will get 1 molar solution of sodium hydroxide. So it will be written as a 1 molar. Now 1 mole of NaOH is a mass of 40 gram. If this quantity of NaOH is dissolved in enough water to make exactly 1 liter of a solution, the solution is a 1 molar solution. If 20 gram of NaOH is dissolved in enough water to make you can say 1 decimeter solution, the solution will be 0.5 molar NaOH solution. The relationship in molarity, moles and volume may be expressed in the following ways. So here it is, if you are going to dissolve 20 gram of NaOH in 1 liter of water, what will be the molarity of that solution? Because first we have dissolved 40 gram of NaOH, and from this we get 1 molar solution. So if we dissolve 20 gram of NaOH, what will be the solution of the concentration of the solution? So we have we're going to dissolve 20 gram of NaOH, and we know that the formula weight of sodium hydroxide is 40 gram per cancelled. And we are going to prepare 1 liter solution. 1 liter. So gram and gram are cancelled. And we will get the unit mole is mole per liter. So by multiplying 20 by dividing 20 with 40, you can say that we will get 0 will be cancelled in this case, 0 and this 0 will be cancelled. 2, 1 and 2, 1 by 2. So we will get 1 by 2 mole per liter, and we will get means 0.5 mole per liter means molar. So we will get 0.5 molar solution, which is this one. So sodium hydroxide. So here is the molarity amount of solute in gram, molecular weight of solute into volume of solution in liter. So here is calculated molarity 40 by 40 into mole and 20 by 40 to 1 cubic decimeter will be equal to 0.5 mole. We have calculated this first. Now, if twice the molar concentration of NaOH, 80 grams is dissolved in enough water to make the 1 liter of solutions, and 2 molar solutions produced. So, this example is we are going to kept constant the volume of the solution, which is 1 liter. So it says that if we're going to dissolve 80 gram of 80 gram of sodium hydroxide, then what solution will be formed? So you can say that 80 gram of NaOH into formula weight of NaOH will be 40. You can say this is 40 gram per mole. So gram and gram not will be cancelled, and we are going to make 1 liter solution. So again, we will get unit mole per liter. So by dividing 80 by 40, so we can say that this 0 will be cancelled, and 4, 1 and 2, 4, 8, 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 means 2. So 2 mole per liter. You can say 2 mole per liter. It means 2 molar solution of NaOH. We have got it. So in this case, we will get this 2 molar solution if we dissolve this 80 gram of NaOH in 1 liter of water, up to 1 liter of water. So this is the another example. You can say 5.85 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in water so as to make 500 ml solution. Determine the molarity of the solution. Atomic mass of sodium 23 and chlorine is 35.5. So you can say that we are given 5.5 gram of sodium chloride, which is dissolved in water up to 500 ml. So 500 ml, 500, you can say ml means 1 liter divided by 1000 ml. 1000 ml is 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So in this case, ml will be cancelled and 2 zeros will be cancelled, and we'll get 5 by 10 liter, 5 by 10 liter, which will be equal to 0.5 liter. So we'll get 0.5 liter. We can say that 500 ml is equal to 0.5 liter. So in this example, we're given 5.85 gram of sodium chloride, and we have dissolved it in 0.5 liter. So we can say that we're going to determine its molarity. So we know that molarity is equal to number of moles of solute per liter of solutions per volume. So we have volume is equal to 0.5 liter, and this one is known, and now we're going to determine this number of moles. So how we will determine the number of moles? So in order to get the number of moles of sodium, 5.85 gram of sodium chloride, so we can say that 5.85 gram of sodium chloride you can say here that in this case we can say that 5.85 gram of sodium chloride will be into, we know that sodium chloride has formula weight 58.5, which is this one, gram per mole, because it contains sodium, which is 23 gram, and chloride, which is 35.5 gram. So by adding these two you'll get 58.5 gram. So 58.5 gram of sodium chloride per mole. So gram and gram will be cancelled, and by dividing 5.85 with 58.5, we will get 0.1. You see, we'll get 0.1 mole. So we will get 0.1 mole. Now we have volume of 0.5 liter, and we know that molarity is the number of moles per liter. So we have this number of moles, which is 0.1, and we have volume, which is 0.5 liter. by putting the value in this equation, you will get 0.1 divided by 0.5. 0.1 mole divided by 0.5 liter. So from this we will get 0.2 molar. 0.2. So from this, dividing 0.1 with 0.5, we get 0.2 molar. So we can say that molarity will be equal to 0.2 molar, which is also given here. So this is this one. So dividing 0.1 mole with 0.5 liter gives 0.2 molar m or mole per liter. So this is the solution of this example. Next one is calculate the molarity of 50 ml of solution containing 7.5 gram of methanol. So we can say that we're going to determine the molarity for 50 ml solution containing 7.5 gram of methanol. So we know that we have discussed previously that molarity is equal to number of moles per liter, per volume, I can say per liter. So in this case, we have 50 ml. So we will convert the 50 ml into liter. So 50 ml will be converted into liter, because we know that 1 liter contains 1000 ml. ml will be cancelled and we will get this unit liter. So by dividing 50,000, 0, 1, 0 will be cancelled. And it will be equal to 5 divided by 100. So this will be 0.05 liter. So we have determined V, which is this one. And now we are going to determine number of moles. We know that number of moles is gram per molar weight. And we know that gram of methanol is this one, 7.50. gram. So 7.50 gram is methanol, and methanol has formula weight 32 gram per mole, 32 gram per mole, and mole will be written in nominator. Here this one. So gram will be cancelled, and by dividing 7.50 with 32, we will get the unit mole with the figure 0.2, say 0.2, which is this one, 0.2344. this one. And so we have now both the values, number of moles, and volume. So by putting the value in this, we'll get the molarity. And say molarity will be equal to number of moles is 0.22344 divided by, we have 0.05 liter of volume. This is a mole. So by dividing this, we will get 4 point, which is this one, 4.69 molar, mole per liter, or molar, you can say molar solution of methanol. So in this case, we can determine the molarity of methanol is 7.5 gram. So the molarity of 7.5 gram of methanol, which is dissolved in 50 ml of solution, up to 50 ml solution will be, the molarity will be 0.2344, 4.69 molar. Let's come towards how to prepare dilute solution. So this is the example. It says what will be the molarity of a solution if 30 ml of 2.5 molar of calcium carbonate solution is diluted to 280 ml. So how to solve this problem? We have 30 ml initial volume, so this one V1, and of concentration 2.5 molar. So this is the concentration, 0.5 molar. So this is some M1, and we're going to dilute this solution up to 280 ml. For example, we have a flask. For example, and in this flask we have 30 ml of these solutions, calcium carbonate, and if we dilute this solution by adding water up to 2, we can say up to total of 280 to this one, 280, for example, 280 ml. So we are going to dilute from 30 ml to 80 ml. So this 30 ml solution is 2.5 molar. So when we dilute it up to 280 ml, what will be the concentration? So this is you can say V1, this is V1, this is V2, and now let's come to the formula. So this one, M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. So we're going to determine the M2 concentration. So 2 will be here. So M1 V1 divided by V1. So putting the values 2.5 molar into 30 ml divided by 280, we will get 0.267 molar. So in actual case, you can say that we are going to determine M2. So the M1 we have 2.5 can say molar, and V1 is equal to, so this one 30 ml divided by V2 is this one 280 ml. So ml will be cancelled, and by, I can say, we'll get the unit of molar, because this ml is cancelled. So by dividing 2.5 with 280, we will get the result 0.267 m molar. So this will be the concentration of solution of calcium carbonate if we dilute this from 30 from 2.5 molar 30 ml up to 280 ml. So this will be the concentration, which is 0.267 molar. Next example is, what volume of water must be added to 85 centimeter cube of 3.5 molar sodium carbonate to dilute it to 0.41 molar. So we can say that we are going to add water into 85 ml 3.5 molar. So we are required the volume V2. So from the formula M1 V1 is equal to V2, you can get value like this. So by putting the values, M1 is equal to 3.5, is this one, and volume is 85 ml. Put it here by dividing by M2, and M2 is equal to 0.41. So this will get 725.6 ml of water will be added to 85 ml of 3.5 molar sodium carbonate to dilute it to 0.41 molar. So volume of solution will be 725.60 minus 85, and it will 640.60 ml. So 640.60 ml need to add to get डाइल्यूशन। तो यहाँ पर हम 40.60 ml पानी ऐड करेंगे 85 ml में, लेकिन अगर हमारे पास पहले से ये सोल्यूशन मौजूद है जो 85 ml है, 85 ml में, तो हम उस 85 में जो पानी ऐड करेंगे वो करेंगे 725 ml तक, 75.60 ml तक ऐड करेंगे। यानी या तो हम अलग जो है ना 640.60 ml अलग से ऐड करें इसमें जो है ना, तो ये टोटल जो बन जाएगा इसका ये 725 ml बन जाएगा वॉल्यूम। तो इससे हमारा जो सोल्यूशन की डाइल्यूशन होगी वो 0.4 पे आ जाएगा। तो इस तरीके से हम सोल्यूशंस को डाइल्यूट कर सकते हैं। तो हम इसको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे सॉल्युबिलिटी। So we'll discuss the solubility in the next video. Thanks for watching.